Today, we'll be discussing AWS Security. AWS delivers a scalable cloud computing platform that's designed for high availability and dependability, providing you the tools that enable you to run a wide range of applications. Helping you to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your systems and data is of the utmost importance to AWS, as is maintaining customer trust and confidence. This module is intended to provide an introduction to AWS's approach to security, including the controls in the AWS environment and some of the products and features that AWS makes available to customers to help meet their security objectives. All AWS customers benefit from a data center and network architecture that is built to satisfy the requirements of our most security-sensitive customers. This means that you get a resilient infrastructure designed for high security without the capital outlay and operational overhead of a traditional on-premises data center. The AWS infrastructure puts strong safeguards in place to help protect customer privacy. AWS innovates rapidly at scale, repeatedly incorporating customer feedback into AWS services. This continual improvement benefits all customers because AWS solutions improve over time, including constantly evolving core security services such as identity and access management, logging, monitoring, encryption, key management, network segmentation, and standard DDoS protection at little or even no additional cost to you. You also get advanced security services invented by engineers with deep insight into global security trends. These will allow your team to proactively address emerging risks in real time while paying only for what you use, all at a lower cost. This means that you can choose the security that meets your needs as you grow without any upfront expense, and with much lower operational overhead when compared to managing your own infrastructure. A properly secured environment results in a compliant environment. When you migrate your regulated workloads to the AWS cloud, you can achieve a higher level of security at scale by using our many governance-enabling features. Cloud-based governance offers a lower cost of entry, easier operations, and improved agility by providing more oversight, security control, and centralized automation. By using AWS, you'll inherit the many security controls that AWS operates, thus reducing the number of security controls that you have to maintain. You own your own compliance and certification programs. Your compliance certification programs are strengthened using AWS, while at the same time lowering your cost to maintain and run any specific security assurance requirements you have. AWS and its partners offer a wide range of tools and features that help you meet your security objectives. These tools will marry the familiar controls you deploy within your own on-premises environment. AWS provides security-specific tools and features across network security, configuration management, access control, as well as data security. In addition, AWS provides monitoring and logging tools that provide full visibility into what is happening inside your environment. AWS provides several security capabilities and services that increase privacy and control network access. These include built-in firewalls that allow you to create private networks within AWS, control network access to your instances and subnets, encryption in transit with transport layer security, TLS, across all services, connectivity options that enable private or dedicated connections from your office or on-premises environments, DDoS mitigation technologies as part of your auto-scaling or content delivery strategy. AWS offers a range of tools that allow you to move fast while still enabling you to ensure that your cloud resources comply with organizational standards and best practices. These will include deployment tools to maintain the creation and decommissioning of AWS resources according to your organizational standards. Inventory and configuration management tools that will identify AWS resources and then track and manage changes to those resources over time. Template definition and management tools that create standard pre-configured hardened virtual machines, or VMs, for Amazon EC2 instances. AWS offers you the ability to add a layer of security to your data at rest in the cloud. It'll provide scalable and efficient encryption features. These include data encryption capabilities available in AWS storage and database services, such as Amazon EBS, S3, Amazon Glacier, Oracle RDS, SQL Server RDS, and Amazon Redshift. Flexible key management options allow you to choose whether you have AWS manage the encryption keys or have you maintain complete control over your keys end-to-end, including the option to have dedicated hardware-based cryptographic key storage options for your customers that help satisfy specific compliance requirements. In addition, AWS provides APIs for you to integrate encryption and data protection with any of the services you develop or deploy in an AWS environment. AWS offers you capabilities to define and force managed user access policies across AWS services. These include identity and access management capabilities to define individual user accounts with permissions across AWS resources, multi-factor authentication, MFA, for privileged accounts, including the option for hardware-based authenticators. We offer integration and federation with corporate directories that can reduce administrative overhead and improve the user experience. AWS provides native identity and access management integration across many of its services, plus the API integration with any of your own application or services. AWS provides tools and features that enable you to see what's happening in your AWS environment. These include deep visibility into API calls, including who, what, when, from where were these calls made. We offer log aggregation and many options, including streamlining your investigations and compliance reporting. We offer alert notifications when specific events occur or thresholds might be exceeded. These tools and features give you the visibility you need to spot issues before they even impact your business. They allow you to improve your security posture and reduce the risk profile of your environment. The AWS Marketplace offers hundreds of industry-leading partner products that are equivalent, identical to, or integrate with existing controls and your on-premises environment, including anti-malware, web application firewalls, and intrusion protection. These products complement the tools and features offered by AWS to enable you to deploy a comprehensive security architecture and a more seamless experience across your cloud and on-premises environments. Helping to protect the security of your systems and data is of the utmost importance to AWS, as is maintaining customer trust and confidence. This video provided an introduction to AWS's approach to security, including the controls in the AWS environment, and some of the products and features that AWS makes available to customers to meet their specific security objectives.